CRT, or Critical Race Theory, by Victoria Cicada. So, critical race theory is the theoretical and interpretive mode that examines the appearance of race and racism across dominant cultural modes of expression. So, the theory was originated in the 1970s and they continue on today. Society and culture can affect how we interpret power and law. In our culture, we see stories told through racism, also politically. Even police brutality in America are examples of CRT. White privilege amongst legal systems are highly taken into account when looking at the critical race theory. Scholars politically notice racism becoming more normalized in our legal systems. The civil rights movement had advocates like Martin Luther King Jr. And during the movement, African Americans were noticeably less respected than whites. So we have scholars like Derek Bell and Patricia Williams. So Derek Bell was actually the first Black to teach at Harvard Law School. And then Patricia Williams, she took into account that whites benefited more than Blacks. Patricia wrote 2 books, one called The Rooster Egg and another one called The Alchemy of Race and Rights. So these are the key characteristics of critical race theorem. It is said that racism is normal. Voices of communities of colors are legitimate. 3, dominant groups tend to agree when beneficial to them. Notion of neutrality must be challenged. These are some of the sites I use to help me gather all of this information. In my opinion, I feel like critical race theory will always be continuous, and it still is today, only because our legal system is constantly changing and growing. Things in our past have helped the critical race theorem develop today. And like I said previously, it will continue to develop.